Welcome to Kwon's Corner. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a Korean food which is called Bossam. You can find all the ingredients that I used in the description down below. I have 500 grams of pork belly, 5 cloves of garlic, and some ginger. First, I'm gonna slice the ginger and garlic. I put ginger and garlic because they take away the pork smell. Turn the stove on medium heat. We want the pot nice and hot. Next, add some oil to the pot. Spread it around and put in the pork belly. Sear it on all sides until the outer layer turns golden brown. Now we're going to add my secret ingredient, which is beer. You can put a lot of different stuff. There are a lot different ways you can cook bossam. You can put Asian herbs or other expensive ingredients to take a pork smell away. But beer is the easiest and the cheapest. Also, using beer will make the meat more tender. Now let's put all the ingredients that we sliced into the pot and cover the pork with water. Add 1 spoonful of minced garlic and cover the pot. Let it boil for 20 minutes. While it's boiling, let's make some rice. The ratio for white rice is 1:1. So let's put 2 cups of white rice and 2 cups of water. While that's in the rice cooker, let's make some sauce. This is my special recipe for samjang. 1 spoon of soybean paste, half a spoon of red pepper paste, red pepper flakes, and minced garlic, and 3 spoons of Sprite. That's my secret ingredient. Usually, people put sugar and water, but personally, I think Sprite tastes better. That's my Kwon's Corner tip. After 20 minutes, take out your pork from the pot. There are so many different kinds of bossam in restaurants. It's a really popular choice for company dinners. These days, they even came out with the Bossam octopus dish with boiled octopus. It's pretty good, but my favorite is this traditional bossam.
It's not ready yet.
After 15 more minutes, the bossam is ready. Cut it into half-inch strips and let's get our vegetable. On a big plate, I put lettuce, sesame leaves, hot pepper, kimchi from my mom, all the bossam, and samjang. It looks so good. You know I had to take some shots for my Instagram. I was so hungry I almost forgot. This is how you eat bossam. First, take a lettuce leaf and put a sesame leaf on top. Put kimchi on that, then dip your bossam in samjang and put that on the top of the kimchi. Then fold it all together like a chipotle burrito and eat it together. Enjoy!